My name is Min Young. I'm a licensed real estate broker in Hawaii, also vice president for area, also broker in charge. And welcome to the newest listing, 2-bedroom in Waiea, which in one of the most expensive neighborhood, Howard Hughes Old Village in Kakako. I'm glad that I can show you this property so you can get to know about it and make an offer. So let's go take a look. Aloha! Welcome!
Wow, look at this place.
Ta-da! This is the view that you're waiting for.
This is an incredible view.
So this is the Waiea 2-bedroom. So actually this is the only 2-bedroom facing the east side at this time. And the price is pretty reasonable. Consider it's Waiea 2-bedroom oceanfront property.
The size is so big. What's the size of this place?
So this is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2 parkings. Size 1910 square foot.
Wow, that's humongous.
That's more than 3-bedroom in the most condos, right?
Yeah,
And pretty much some single family house, right?
bigger.
It is, yeah.
Well, the ceiling looks really tall here.
Yeah, you're right. The ceiling is about 10 foot.
Wow, that's super tall.
It is. If I can jump, which
You cannot.
cannot, but I tried. Yeah, so the view is we're facing the east side, and you can see Diamond Head. Every Friday, you can see the firework.
Oh yeah, that's the Hilton over there, right?
And then there will be a park right next door, and the Melia and Ilima. And of course, there's a setback from the boulevard. So, yeah, I think the view is gonna be more protected.
Oh yeah, I think it's gonna look a lot better without these warehouses once you see the park and those nice amenities.
Yeah, so a lot of people are looking forward to it actually. And look at the size of the living room.
This is humongous.
It is. And the high ceiling also helps openness. And look at this built-in entertainment center. So, yeah, it's pretty much ready. Put your gigantic TV.
You put like 100+ inch TV over there, huh?
You can put like 6 TVs here. And then you can watch whatever channel you like at the same time. And the kitchen.
Wow, I love the open concept kitchen.
Yeah, all the cabinets, of course, very nice level. And also all Mila, the cappuccino machine, microwave, oven, warmer, everything. It's a full kitchen. It's like chef kitchen.
Where's the refrigerator?
Refrigerator is right here.
That huge thing's the refrigerator?
Yeah, it's like 2 normal refrigerator size, right?
It is. Jeez.
And double door.
Super nice.
Yeah, I can put like 2 of me can fit in here. And then the gas cooktop.
What's that little thing above the gas cooktop?
So this is the water faucet. So you know how sometimes you need to put more water when you cook ramen, or it's gonna be too salty, and then you go like But this, you never get too salty ramen.
Oh, so that's there so you don't have to carry the heavy pot of water.
Of course. Yeah, you don't have to. And plus, this ventilation, all the ventilation goes to the outside of the building.
Well, that's really good.
It
I hate
is.
the buildings that just shoot it back at your face.
I know. What's the point of the ventilation if it's going to kick back into the unit, right?
I know.
Yeah. So also, dishwasher.
Oh,
Ta-da!
nice. Miele as well?
Miele. Okay, and the wine cellar. Touch it, automatic. Wine cellar. And then no counters to space go wasted, right? And there's a laundry machine, and we'll take a look after. Look at the view again, and let me show you the primary bedroom. So the 2 rooms are separated, which is a very good thing. And the view, of course, you cannot go wrong with this view.
Wow. Imagine waking up to this every single day.
Yeah, it's nuts, right? And then if you see the park here and the swimming pool, Melia Ilima, I feel like it's gonna get a lot better, right? Because now you see like a roof and the parking. And once they're done, it's gonna be very nice. So this one is more expensive side of Ward Village, it's because more expensive buildings are coming right here, right? And then, but this similar unit compared to other Ilima, this one is $1 million cheaper. So more affordable if you're looking for a high luxury building. And the ceiling height, of course, 10 foot, motorized blinds, yeah. And then I'll show you the closet. He's in her closet.
Wow. It's very well done.
It's all, look, it's all the space. You can put like anything actually. You can put anything. And then there's another one right next to you.
Wow.
You can put your Pokemon cards right here. You can collect the whole, you can be a Pokemon master with that closet. And then there's also linen closet.
Oh, nice. It's a very spacious linen closet.
And it also has lights on.
It's true.
And the bathroom.
This is a beautiful bathroom.
Because this is the onyx. You know how the Van Cleef sells onyx? This little piece of earrings is about 4,000 to 5,000, right?
Yeah.
Imagine how many earrings you can make out of this onyx.
Hundreds.
More than that. It makes you a billionaire. You can buy a whole house with it. Nowadays it's hard, right? Because all the construction costs, material costs all went up.
Yeah, I don't think any of the newer condos have this, yeah?
It's impossible to have that.
Or the price would be very expensive.
Very expensive. So if you look at Waiea very close up, every little detail, they're very carefully thought through. So this is Uro. So a lot of Japanese loves to take a bath and relax. So Uro is not negotiable, right? Has to have it. And when you're in the tub, you can see the ocean.
Oh, yeah? Let me see. Oh, yeah, you can actually see the ocean.
And there's a walk-in shower.
That's a huge walk-in shower.
It is a huge walk-in shower.
That's a shower head?
Yeah, it's like Karate Kid. And the karaoke machine.
Oh, nice. What's that behind you?
And there's a niche,
Oh, wow.
built-in niche. That's a first, right?
That is. How come the newer buildings, they didn't do that?
Just Waiea is a very special kind. Every detail you see, you'll be amazed. So it's kind of more fun. Every time you're like, oh, I did not know about this. Actually, they pay attention to this. So Waiea, it actually has a little more fun when you take a look and you know exactly what you're looking at. It's more fun to discover. Okay, let's go to the second bedroom. The rooms are separated, so that's a good plus. So it's like a suite, right?
Oh,
So this one has its own bathroom as well. So this one too, you can see fireworks. In the future, there'll be a park. There'll be amenity, Milia, Ilima. So you don't have to see this parking structure. It'll be very nice neighborhood. And you put the bed on the side so you can see better ocean, right? You don't have to watch the newscast to see the weather. You can just see it right there.
Or the surfer part.
And today's not really the best weather either. It's just normal weather for Hawaii. So nothing to be amazed. And look at this walk-in closet. Also has the door for more privacy. And it's as big as the size of the room, right?
It's actually bigger than Victoria Place's walk-in closet.
It is, yeah, because this one is actually bigger. So Victoria Place 2-bedroom O2 stack, which is the biggest 2-bedroom. It's about 1,290 square foot. This one is 1,910 square foot.
Jeez.
So it's like one extra bedroom size, yeah.
It is.
And the 2 vanity and also the tub.
Wow.
It's very important to have a tub when you're looking for Japanese buyer. It's very important to them. And then, but also have a walk-in shower.
This walk-in shower is really big too.
So this one you cannot do, what do you call that? You cannot do meditation, no waterfall, but there's a fixture and also karaoke machine.
But it's very big. Look at the
It
size.
is. It's as big as the bedroom. So I told you, there are 2 suites, right? But when you have friends over, where do they go to use the restroom? Right here is a separate.
Well, there's an extra half bath
the half bathroom for the guests. So your guests can use this bathroom instead of your suite bathroom. And these are annex. So there's a sink and the total terrace toilet. So they don't have to go through your bedroom. And then extra closet.
Nice.
And there's a laundry room, of course, right by the kitchen. Ta-da! And there's a sink, washer and dryer, full size side by side.
Wow, this is a huge washer dryer. It's like larger than most single family house washer dryers.
I know, right? I don't think we have even this size. We have a smaller size than this.
Yeah.
Yeah. And there's, of course, the sink. So yeah, it's pretty much well thought out, very ultra luxury condo. So if you have any question about this beautiful property, or have any questions about Hawaii real estate, feel free to contact me. I'm here to assist. Thank you. Mahalo.